Employees frequently submit leave requests, such as for vacation days, sick leave, or work from home. Managers must then consult HR policies, check leave balances, and determine who should approve each request. This repetitive process can slow teams down. These requests often linger, waiting for approval, and sometimes policies are inconsistently applied. While AI can read a leave request, it isn't always reliable in enforcing company leave rules. That's why we've developed the Leave Approval Agent, a system designed to evaluate each request based on HR policies and automatically direct it to the appropriate decision maker. Now let's dive into creating an agent. We need to set up the agent. And there. Our prompt is structured into three branches: role, goal, and instruction, which helps the agent understand the prompt better. Here we define the role of our agent. It acts as a request policy decision engine. The agent's goal is to evaluate employees' leave requests based on HR policy rules. Then we provide the instructions we want our agent to follow. And that leads to decisions like auto-approve, manager approval, HR approval, or reject. We've provided the rules and output format, which you can customize as needed. Now let's move to our model section. We offer a variety of service providers. You can choose one, and the model based on your selected service provider. I'm selecting GPT-5 Nano right now. Remember to add your own API key here. We also provide a fallback model that automatically runs if your primary model fails. In the connector section, you can integrate various tools if your agent needs them. You can add existing agents if required, and you can include a knowledge base that retrieves data for checking leave balances and other details. Here, we need to provide the name of the knowledge base. You can describe the knowledge base in three ways: by URL, uploading a file, or directly in the content form. Currently, I'm using the content form to add the knowledge base. And that's how you add the resource. Now our agent is ready for queries. We are running a query for a leave issue. Since the leave balance is 12 and the request was made for a single day, it is auto-approved. You can modify this according to your company policy and add it to the knowledge base. After testing your agent, you can generate a summary. Save it, and then publish your agent. Your agent is now published.